back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be sort of like my morning routine, how I really set the vibe in my house in the morning time, how I get it to feel fresh and calm to really start my morning off on the right foot. These are things that I try to do every single morning just to like set the space up and make it feel, I would say, like gentle in a way, a gentle way of waking up and starting your day. That's kind of something that I go for every single morning. I don't like to wake up and it be harsh and startling and just very abrasive. I like a gentle, slow morning, a soothing morning. So I'm gonna show you the things that I have around my house that really sets me up to have a successful day, a soothing start to my day, a relaxing and gentle start to my day. These are things that you have to have if you are on the same kind of wave that I'm riding on, that you want to romanticize your life. It really is like a lifestyle at this point. So I'm gonna show you the things that make my mornings just beautiful. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you want to start the morning with me, this is definitely going to be a relaxing video. So sit back, relax. Maybe you have like a hot cup of tea. This would be perfect for this video. Then please just keep on watching. But before we get into today's video, I want to thank our sponsor, Canadian Down and Feather. You guys, I absolutely love their duvet. Their duvet is made from high quality Canadian fill. It is lightweight yet warm. So it definitely keeps me nice and cozy, but it's not too hot. It's very breathable. It's honestly the perfect weight. Not only is it the perfect weight, but it is so soft. It has a 400 thread count cotton, which is great for breathability. Like I said, very, very breathable. It is ethnically sourced. It's made in Toronto and it is very long lasting. So this is gonna last you a lifetime. It's one less thing you have to worry about. Your duvet is breathable. It's fluffy. It looks aesthetic on the bed, but it's also just very soft and comfortable. It's a win-win, honestly. I will have all the information listed down in the description box. You can save 25% off by clicking the link down below. Trust me, you're gonna love it. So thank you once again to Canadian Down and Feather for sponsoring this video. And with all that being said, if you wanna hang out with me, start your day with me, refresh in the morning, then please just keep on watching.
So as much as I would love to say that I start my day off by making my bed, as you can see, there's a little baby in the bed. It never fails that one of my kids always comes into our bed in the middle of the night. So then the first thing actually that I do is come downstairs. Sometimes I do a little bit of straightening up, but really I just like set the vibe because I'll be working out and I like to be done my workout, come inside the house and the house is like all neat and tidy. So I just love to straighten up, just come down, just kind of take a moment, even just like drinking some water down here and just sitting after I first wake up is just another calm way of waking up and starting the day. Then I love to get a workout in, so I'll stretch before I go and do 12-3-30. I'm gonna link this headband down below. If you wear your natural hair out straight, like a silk press, leave out, anything like that, you need this. When I work out, it really keeps my edges straight and laid without them like curling up, crinkling up while I work out or right after a workout. So before I work out, I like to make a little, it's not a pre-workout. Instead, I've been taking amino acids. I really like this stuff, but the taste, I noticed a difference when I take this in my recovery. I don't get as sore, which is great because I'm super busy. Like I don't have time to be like slowed down, but the taste is, I don't know. And maybe because I got this flavor, maybe a different flavor would taste better. So I mix it with orange juice and then I was running low. So I ended up mixing it with this Trader Joe's Power of C juice. I normally don't do this, but I didn't have enough orange juice, so I had to make do. And I use my little frother. I talked about this in my Amazon favorites video. Love it so much. So I pour it in my Hydro Flask, mix a little ice with a little water, shake it up, take a drink, we're good to go. Time to work out. So I like to work out in our garage. This garage has really come a long way, but I absolutely love my treadmill. I do 12, 330. Of course, I got to set the vibe with a little lamp back there. I don't know, something about this like back area. It's just the little things, like making your home, any little space, romanticizing it, making it feel a little bit more special, just does it for me. It's just nice to do a morning walk, listening to a podcast, having like the crisp, cool air, like refreshing me. It's just a vibe. So I actually filmed this on 2 different days. Ignore the robe and the PJs, pretend I'm in workout clothes, because the next thing I would do is come upstairs, and by this time the kids are up. So I'm opening the blinds, lighting candles, just really starting the day, making it feel fresh. I've worked out, I got all sweaty, so now it is time to wash my face and do my skincare. I love these wrist bands, I guess you could call them, and this headband here. So the headband just keeps obviously like my hair back from getting wet. At this point, I would still have that sweat band around my head so that my edges won't like puff up. But the wristbands keep the water when I wash my face from dripping down like onto my arms and like down my arm. I can't stand that. So these wristbands are like key. I just like to wash my face. I do a couple little serums. I have these face towels to dry off, put in my contacts, just feeling refreshed. Make sure I have my SPF. So before I hop in the shower, I like to put my towel in the towel warmer. It's just such a vibe. I talked about this in my previous video, as well as a lot of the shower essentials that I have in here, the shelves that you see, this speaker over here, and the phone case. I just love the shower setup. So then I'm finally making the bed. I like to wash my pillowcases pretty frequently. So you see me taking off the pillowcase here, folding up the blanket, making everything look cute, putting on the throw pillows, just making the bed look put together. Makes me feel put together about myself. It's amazing what making the bed will do. And of course, I have my Canadian down and feather duvet underneath. It just makes it so soft. So again, I'm opening up the blinds. This is what the bedroom looks like, and it's time to move on downstairs. I'm making a smoothie for breakfast. If you don't follow me on Instagram, Rob and I are doing 21 days of prayer and fasting. So we are actually doing the Daniel's fast, and we're following along with Transformation Church's Bible plan and Bible study journal, like the whole thing. And it's just been making me feel so good. I honestly think I want to continue even after the 21 days, just because like I feel so much closer to God. I've been reading my Bible even more than I ever have, and like I just feel motivated. So anyway, yeah, these are all of the ingredients that I put into my smoothie. It's so good. It honestly just takes like a strawberry milkshake, and it's really not that many ingredients. I just really like it. So just like I was talking about prayer and fasting, this is me starting my morning with reading my Bible, getting in the Word, praying, just starting my day off right. This is honestly like the best part of the day. It really sets my intention. It makes me feel grounded and connected to God, and I just absolutely love it. I'm gonna link down below Transformation Church and the Bible study that we are following, just in case you want to participate. And I think this is just the cutest thing in the world. Briella wanted to get involved, and I just love this moment. I'm so glad I caught this on camera. She genuinely wanted to sit with me and was listening to me read the Bible, and oh my gosh, my heart just melted. So then once I've started my day off on the right foot, I am moving on to work. So you can see a lot of tech gadgets up, a lot of books out, planning, scheduling, making sure content is going up on time, like what I have to do today, what's due tomorrow, what do I need to prep for, all that good stuff. But I don't think I said it before, but this was a Saturday morning, which is why the kids didn't go to school. But anyway, this is pretty much what my mornings look like on a daily basis. I hope this gave you some inspiration on how to really like cultivate a healthy morning routine, a gentle morning routine. If it gave you any inspo at all, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and my morning routine, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.